Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, the channel where passion meets performance. Today's machine is not just a car, it's a statement, a supercar that blends everyday usability with breathtaking speed, the Audi R8 from Audi. From the very first glance, the R8 looks like it belongs on a racetrack. The low, wide stance, sharp LED headlights, and those iconic side blades immediately tell you this is something special. It's aggressive without being overstyled, futuristic yet timeless. Even years after its debut, the design still turns heads like few others can. But let's be honest, the real magic begins when you press the start button. The naturally aspirated V10 engine roars to life with a sound that sends chills down your spine. In a world rapidly moving toward turbocharging and electrification, this engine feels like a rebellious celebration of pure mechanical drama. The throttle response is razor-sharp, instant, and intoxicating. Put your foot down, and the acceleration is relentless. The R8 doesn't just gain speed, it attacks it. The Quattro all-wheel drive system delivers incredible grip, allowing you to launch hard and exit corners with confidence. Whether you're blasting down a highway or carving through mountain roads, the stability and control are simply phenomenal. What truly sets the R8 apart from many exotic rivals is its dual personality. Yes, it's brutally fast, but it's also surprisingly civilized. The ride quality is firm yet comfortable enough for daily driving. Visibility is good for a supercar. The cabin is beautifully crafted, with premium materials, precise build quality, and that unmistakable Audi attention to detail. Step inside and you're greeted by the virtual cockpit, a fully digital driver-focused display that keeps everything you need right in front of you. No cluttered center screen dominating the dashboard, just clean, purposeful design. The flat-bottom steering wheel, sport seats, and minimalist layout make you feel connected to the car in a way that's both modern and engaging. And then there's the handling. The steering is sharp, balanced, and confidence-inspiring. The chassis feels alive, responding instantly to your inputs. Mid-engine balance combined with quattro traction gives the R8 a unique character, forgiving when you want to push, yet thrilling when you explore its limits. Braking performance is equally impressive, especially with the available carbon ceramic setup. Hard stops feel drama-free, consistent, and brutally effective. This is a car engineered not just for speed, but for repeated high-performance driving. Yet beyond the numbers and performance stats, the Audi R8 delivers something harder to measure: emotion. The sound of that V10 echoing through tunnels, the way people react when it passes by, the feeling of driving something that still honors the golden era of naturally aspirated supercars. This is a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort for performance, or reliability for excitement. It's exotic enough to feel special, yet practical enough to actually live with. That's it for today's feature on 91 Gearbox. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next automotive deep dive. Until next time, keep your engines loud and your passion alive.